Viking refrigerator model VCRB5303RRE repairs. Keep your groceries and foods chilled with this 30-inch Viking refrigerator. Adjustable humidity drawers protect even the most perishable leafy vegetables and fruits, while the plasma cluster ion air purifier system eliminates airborne bacteria, mold spores, and odors for ENA. This 30-inch Viking refrigerator has electronic controls that provide precise temperature management to keep ingredients fresh. Repairs. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Viking manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Viking appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Freezer control and lights are on, but compressor is not operating. Refrigerator is in defrost mode. Normal operation, wait 40 minutes to see if compressor restarts. Refrigerator does not operate. Refrigerator is not plugged in. Plug in refrigerator. Control is not on, fuse is blown, or circuit breaker needs to be reset. Properly adjust controls. Replace blown fuses. Check circuit breaker and reset. Food temperature is too cold. Condenser coils are dirty. Clean coils. Refrigerator or freezer controls are set too high. Properly adjust controls. Refrigerator has an odor. Compartment is dirty or has odor causing food. Water droplets form outside of door. Check gaskets for proper seal. Clean gaskets. Humidity levels are high. Hot, humid weather can increase condensation. Controls require adjustment. Refrigerator or ice maker makes unfamiliar sounds or seems too loud.